Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Capital One Spark Cash Plus credit card. If you are a business owner looking for a simple, high-rewarding cashback credit card, then you've probably come across the card. But is it actually worth it, or is it just another card with flashy marketing? Let's find out in this video. The Capital One Spark Cash Plus is not your regular credit card. It's what's known as a charge card. Now, what does that mean? Unlike traditional credit cards where you can carry a balance and pay interest over time, this card requires you to pay your balance in full every single month. That might sound like a downside at first, but for the right type of business, it's actually a huge advantage. Why is that? Because this card comes with no preset spending limit. That means your purchasing power can grow based on your business spending habits, your payment history, and credit profile. So instead of being restricted by a fixed limit, you get flexibility, especially useful if your business has large or unpredictable expenses. Now let us talk about the main features of the Spark Cash Plus card. Unlimited 2% cashback. This is a core feature, simple and powerful. Yes, you earn 2% back on everything with no categories or caps. This is perfect if your spending is spread across different areas. Then there's also 5% travel rewards. You get 5% back on hotels and rental cars when booked through Capital One's travel portal. And this is great if your business involves travel. The card does not have a preset spending limit. It has a flexible spend capacity. So instead of a fixed credit limit, your spending power adapts to your business needs. This is especially useful for scaling businesses. Pay in full structure. There's no interest, no APR, but you must pay your balance in full each month. This helps with financial discipline but requires strong cash flow. Then there's also free employee cards. You can issue cards to your team at no extra cost and earn rewards on their spending. There are no foreign transaction fees. Yes, this is perfect for international purchases or global businesses. And there's a huge welcome bonus. Yes, it's one of the biggest in the business card space. You earn a $2,000 cash bonus when you spend $30,000 in the first 3 months. And you earn an additional $2,000 bonus for every $500,000 spent in the first year. You can truly earn unlimited cash bonuses during your first year. Now let us talk about the pricing. It costs $150. What are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. You earn a simple 2% cash back on everything. There are no limits on rewards, and there's high spending flexibility. No foreign transaction fees. But what about the cons? You must pay your balance in full every month, and there's a high spending requirement to earn bonuses. If you don't hit the spending threshold, the $150 annual fee might be on the high side, and there's no introductory APR offer. So having considered all this, is Capital One Spark Cash Plus the right card for you? Well, it really depends on the type of business you run. This is not a beginner-friendly credit card. It's built majorly for established businesses with strong cash flow and high monthly expenses. So if your business regularly spends thousands or even tens of thousands every month, this card can be incredibly powerful. You get consistent unlimited rewards, flexibility with spending, and the ability to earn serious cash back without overthinking categories. But on the flip side, if your business is still small or if you prefer carrying balances over time, this card may not be the best fit, because the biggest limitation here is that you must pay everything off in full every month. So I'd say this, that the Capital One Spark Cash Plus is less of a casual credit card and more of a financial tool for scaling businesses that want simplicity, flexibility, and high rewards. If that sounds like you, it's definitely worth considering. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Capital One Spark Cash Select, American Express Blue Business Plus credit card, and Chase Inc. Business Preferred credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.